This is a 2012 Infiniti FX35. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a folding second row, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, a security system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. This Infiniti has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.